Hello, I'm here at Prairie Loft Center for Outdoor and Agricultural Learning, and I'm going to show you how to make butter in a jar. It's so easy. All you need is heavy whipping cream and a jar with a lid, and then something to strain it with later, and I'll get to that. It works best if your whipping cream and your jar are pretty cold. So I've just taken this out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to fill my jar about halfway full with this lovely whipping cream, and then I will put it back in its cooler so it stays nice. Put the lid on so that you make sure it's tight, because you're gonna shake this like crazy and it's gonna take a few minutes. So find a friend and take a walk or do a dance and have some patience, because this is going to be shaking for, we'll find out how long. So keep shaking, keep shaking, keep shaking. 1 minute later, 1 minute of shaking, keep shaking. I've been shaking for 2 minutes now. My arm got tired, so I switched arms. I did a little dance, but I didn't get that on video. Remember the shake weight TV commercials? 4 minutes of shaking. It sounds different and it feels different, so it's starting to solidify, and it's going to get closer now to those butter solids and buttermilk. So I'm gonna keep shaking. That's about 5 minutes of shaking, and it's turning solid. See that? I'm getting close. Here we go. My arms are tired, but I'm gonna keep going. Okay, I've been shaking for about 2 more minutes, and check that out. Nice soft butter. And what I'm gonna do now, I've put some cheesecloth over another jar, and you can use a plain strainer too. And I should have brought a spoon with me, because what I wanna do is squeeze out the liquid. So I'm gonna take another route here and shake it right into that cheesecloth. So I've got my butter in the cheesecloth and I'm just squeezing it, and what's dripping out is yummy buttermilk that I might use to bake something else. And then what I have in the cheesecloth is my ball of butter. I'm gonna put it back in the jar I made my butter in and put it in the refrigerator. You can add herbs, you can add honey and make some honey butter. You can do it just as it is. Be sure to refrigerate it. It's best if you use it pretty quickly, but you can also freeze butter. So this took me about 6-7 minutes to shake with pretty consistent shaking. So find a friend to help if you think that's more work than you want to do. So thank you for watching, and I hope you make some butter and let us know how it turned out. If you do add herbs or honey or something else to it, let us know how that worked. I'd love to hear your success. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.